The Terrace-Kitimat area was pummeled with snow in February 2015, nearly hitting the all-time record for 24-hour snowfall set back in 1972. Blizzard conditions resulted in deep snow drifts, downed trees, and widespread power outages. Maintenance contractor Nechako Northcoast Construction used everything they could to tackle the onslaught. This included bringing in heavy equipment from outside the area, such as graders, loaders, and 3 Snowcats. Typically used on ski hills, these cool cats are designed to move very large amounts of snow. Big thanks to Nechako Northcoast Construction for adapting to such an extreme snowfall event and keeping people moving in the Skeena District.